really here for y'all. One of those. Oh, oh my God. Big fish. Big, I think it's a bass, y'all. Might be a big skipjack though. Oh my God. Ain't no way. Get up here. Oh, what is this, y'all? What is this? Huge skipjack. Huge skipjack. Oh my God. Monster skipjack. Oh my God. Monster skipjack, y'all. Damn, y'all don't want the skipjack to die. God. There we go. There we go, y'all. Monster skipjack. Y'all see this big boy? Man, their scales come off so easy. I gotta get them back in the water, y'all. I don't want this guy to die. Scales come off too easy.